everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria, I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And in this video I will create Venom t-shirt. I know that there are a lot of printed t-shirts with Venom you can find for a very cheap price. Let's take a look on them. Boring. Boring. So boring. Cheap but boring. So I decided to create my own Venom t-shirt, something very creative, very artistic and very cool. Are you ready? Let's begin! So here is the sketch I drew, and I will paint Venom at the up corner of the t-shirt, and also I will paint these black, I don't know how to call them, let's call them tentacles. So now I sketch Venom on the t-shirt, and as you can see, this t-shirt is size X large and the mannequin is size mediums. So this t-shirt doesn't fit well and it's hard to paint. But even it's hard, I love to paint all the mannequins, as I can imagine how these clothes will look on the person, and it helps me to create more beautiful composition and more beautiful artworks. For the Venom I use black, a bit blue, purple and white colors, and red color for the tone. First I will create backgrounds, then I will paint teeth of the Venom, and I use for the background big flat brush and blue, grey and purple colors. So let's now make our cute toothless Venom scary. Love this music, and by the way, it is not a copyright music, and you can find the link of it in the description below. And of course, Slobber! And now I will paint these black tentacles. Don't know how to call them right. If you guys know, write me in the comments below. And I think that they will make this t-shirt look so cool. Many of them. And by the way, design of this t-shirt is my own idea, I didn't copy it, and it is in my art fashion style. And let's splatter black paint. And painting is finished. What do you think about this t-shirt? Write me a thoughts in the comments below. Did I manage to create perfect Venom t-shirt? Hit the like button to support my art and share this video with your Venom lovers friends. And as always, all the videos about painting on clothes you can find in the description below. And see you in the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.